Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice with you. That way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere and you don't end up spending thousands of dollars in future repairs. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Edge, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2014. If you need to find where the O2 sensor bank 1 sensor 1 and 2 or O2 sensor bank 2 sensor 1 and 2 fuse is located on Ford Edge, which fuse controls the O2 sensors. If you have a V6, you're going to have 4 oxygen sensors. If you have a 4-cylinder, you have 2 oxygen sensors. We'll explain which fuses you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays with a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience, guys. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart on our YouTube channels. We show you how to fix transmissions, engine codes. This channel specifically will be for fuses, guys. And we have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, if you need help with anything, if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, and you need to find, let's say, the fuse on that Ford Edge for a fuel pump, for anti-theft system, alarm system, ignition codes, fuel injectors, anything like that, all you have to do, find the video on our channel, watch it in less than a minute or two, you're back on the road, guys. So that's why we make these videos, to save you as much money and time as we can. So for the O2 sensors, guys, which fuses we need to check? We're talking O2 sensor bank 1, sensor 1 and 2, or if you have a V6, you have bank 2, sensor 1 and 2 as well. Now, we will demonstrate on this generation Ford Edge right here. Most people that own that Ford Edge do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it. We'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on Ford Edge. For the O2 sensor fuses, guys, we need to open the hood facing the engine. On the right side here, on the driver's side, you have a fuse box. Press these 2 tabs, you'll be able to open the cover and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, multiple fuses will need to be checked, then we even need to check some in other fuse box. Make sure to stay till the end. Guys, if you have a V6 engine, you will have bank 1 and bank 2 because you have 2 cylinder heads. If you want to know which side is bank 1, bank 2, we have videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you that. If you want to see how to test oxygen sensor, how to test oxygen sensor heater, or how to test upstream oxygen sensor or downstream oxygen sensor, we have videos on the channel that will guys teach you how to do that. But now here, if we come, what we need to, guys, check multiple fuses. There is very limited information. Please make sure to stay until the end. We want to share one good advice, that way you do not end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere like it happened to us. You need to check all these fuses because they're for engine management, okay? And the fuses, guys, that we're talking about are fuse number 67, 68, 69, 70. These fuses right here will need to be checked. Then you need to check fuse number 90, which is that fuse here, and then you need to check fuse number 86, that fuse right there. After that, guys, you need to open the driver door, and here under the dash on the driver's side, look under the dash, that's the footwell compartment, that's the parking brake paddle, hood open lever. Behind it you have a cover, remove it and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. And here you need to check fuse number 18, that fuse right here. That's the one, guys, that you will need to check as well for the oxygen sensors on Ford Edge. So guys, this generation Ford Edge has all kind of different fuses and relays. Fuses and relays that could be really hard to find, especially if you live in a small town, if you're in the middle of nowhere. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and as a result we were stuck there for a few days until shipment came. So we'll recommend to keep some of those spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind, so that thing doesn't happen with you. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.